My name is Salman Ahmed. I'm heading Pakistan's largest indigenous scholarship ILM Fund. The key responsibilities to this role include awarding scholarships to the merit-based and underprivileged students of the society who wish to seek quality higher education. Also to ensure a complete transparency in the awarding process so that every penny awarded goes down to the grassroots level very transparently. ILM Fund is a project of ILM Trust, which was founded by the late Dr. Hassan Sohaib Murad back in 1990. Dr. Hassan Sohaib Murad was a great visionary man, and his initiative did not just bring a positive change on the national level, but also for the international students as well. He started from scratch, and with great missionary zeal, he was able to achieve his dream. The legacy is currently sustained by his son, Mr. Ibrahim Hassan Murad. Here I would like to quote an example first, to elaborate the importance of quality higher education in the society. If we divide the society into 3 tiers, that is A, B and C, and pick up 2 students from the lowest tier, one with a higher education degree and one without a higher education degree. The one without a higher education degree has only 1% chance that in his or her average lifespan, he or she will go to the upper level. On the contrary, the other student with the higher education degree has a 40% more chance of going into the upper tier into his or her average lifespan. Therefore, quality higher education is a game changer in the society and can transform lives and generations. It also promotes factors like social mobility and poverty alleviation. Now let us look at the figures. Only 3% students go to universities every year in Pakistan. Approximately 63 million students are out of universities, majority because of the affordability factor. If we look at the Human Development Index, Pakistan was ranked 152nd last year. All these are alarming figures. In these dire times, from the last 3 decades, ILM Fund is working with the vision, making quality higher education accessible for all, and with the mission ensuring a consistent legacy of giving back to the society, to finance first-generation students, to convert the burgeoning population of youth into dynamic top-class business professionals of tomorrow. The range of scholarships encompasses from merit-based scholarships to need-based financial assistance. The scholarships have been devised in a manner so that each and every segment of the society is equally inclusive. The scholarships include internal as well as external scholarships. Some of the internal scholarships namely are need-based financial assistance, merit scholarships, alumni discounts, teacher son discount, kinship scholarships, remote area scholarships, Justice A.R. Cornelius scholarships for the minorities, Khurram Murad scholarships for the international students. Some of the external scholarships include NTS need-based scholarships, HEC Pak Afghan scholarships, Punjab Education Endowment Fund scholarships, Punjab Workers Welfare Board scholarships, Balochistan Education Endowment Fund scholarships for the students of Balochistan, and many more. For scholarships, students need to apply at the time of their admissions when they are filling in their admission forms accordingly. Talking about the need-based financial assistance, it's offered every year during fall admissions. The procedure to apply is very simple. Number 1, applicants need to go to the website ilm.fund, click on the Apply Now button, read carefully the eligibility criteria and the document requirement. Now, if they feel themselves eligible to apply, then they're supposed to fill in the Google form given and submit accordingly. The amount of scholarships increase every year. If we talk about the annual figure, we crossed 1 billion in scholarships this year. If we talk about the total amount of scholarships awarded by ILM Fund since inception, this year we crossed 5 billion in scholarships. The possibilities of dreams can only be grasped by those who have dared to dream themselves. ILM Fund knows the importance of investing in dreams because we've dreamed of a Pakistan where no student misses out on his or her aspirations of achieving a better future, not only due to the lack of monetary means. Someone rightfully said, if you plan for a year, sow rice. If you plan for a decade, plant trees. But if you plan for a lifetime, educate people. Because the whole purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows. Thank you very much.